Everybody, it's Lyn from Lyn's Crafts. I'm coming by today with the second part of my haul video for so far this year. I know I did share a small haul last month. This is all stuff I've been ordering, like I said, since the first of the year. They've just been trickling in, so I was holding on to them till I had enough to share. Alright, I first got this really cool little elk mold. And I particularly got him for Christmas time projects. I think he'll work great for that. This one, I actually just got these, and they are some glitters. Now, when I ordered them, I had thought they were cellophane glitters, but now I'm not completely sure because it actually says Mylar cellophane crushed diamond flakes. This was from Tranquility on Etsy. Well, if you know anything about glitter, Mylar and cellophane are two completely different things. So, now I'm not sure. But I will do a test and test how they bake. So, I'll let you know. Okay. Once again, I just want to say I am trying to, I don't want to say raise money. Here's the deal. The one thing I really don't want to do is to start charging for my tutorials. That just goes against my grain. I don't know why. I can't explain it. It just does. But I have toyed with the idea of starting a Patreon or doing a few paid tutorials and selling them on my Etsy, but it's just not something I really want to do. First of all, it would be more trouble for me. Secondly, I would be denying part of my subscribers the ability to see said videos, and that, I guess, is mainly what irks me. So, if you want to purchase anything from my shop, just go on over. Like I said, I've got everything from $20 items on up. So, anything I earn will be going towards a new camera. Possibly new lighting. Okay? I ordered all this stuff before I had camera trouble. I so wish the camera would have started acting up sooner. But it is how it is. It's just the way things go. So, now, on with the rest of the haul video. And thank you very much. Little things, right? Alright. These are a couple of cheap Halloween / carnival masks that I just got off a Wish, and sorry for all the crinkling, but they're really nice quality. So I got these to alter. That one, and then I got two of these. I mean, listen to that. These are hard plastic. So these will be fun. Okay, then I got this cigar box, is how it was labeled. It's just an unfinished natural wood box. I got it off eBay. Don't even ask me what I paid for it. I think it was like $4.97, something like that. May have been $6. I'm going to alter it, of course. It's got one of those cheapy little clasps on the front. but it's pretty good sized. Let me see. It's actually 6 1/4, 6 1/2 by 7 maybe. So it's a good size. Okay, I just got these from Cool Tools. This one is Dragon of the Sea texture stamp, and it's seahorses. I got this for the back of pendants I do with the beach theme. This one is called Ginkgo Leaves, and that's what it is. And same thing, I got this one for the back of Asian themed pendants. This one, the texture's a little smaller than I expected it to be, so I really don't know how well it's gonna work. It's called Nautilus. Imagine that. As you can tell, it's a pretty fine texture sheet. And then this one's called Hieroglyphics. I think it goes this way. Yeah. So this one is going to be good for lots of my projects. And this one is a little bit bigger texture sheet than these are, obviously. Of course, it's got quite a bit of wasted space on the edge. I'm not sure exactly why it's like that, but so really and truly, it's not that much bigger. It's not that much a bigger surface than these. I think they're 2 by 4.5, 2 by 4, something like that. Let me see. Yeah, 2 by 4.5. A little bigger than a 2 by 4. Okay. Okay. Then I bought me a new glue gun. It's the Sure Bonder Specialty, which is a high temp glue gun for an extra strong bond. But I bought it because it's got this super precision tip. Okay, and my my old glue gun's in kind of bad shape. Still works, but I give it any time out. And then I got 200 of the Sure Bonder glue sticks. I should have glue sticks for the rest of my life. Okay, then I got 3 more of the Art Alchemy waxes. This one is the Blue Velvet. This one's the Opal Magic Blue Velvet. This one is the Metallique White Gold. And this one is the Metallique Old Silver. Okay. Then, just off a wish, I just got these to try. They're glow-in-the-dark powders. And as you can see, it's a really small sample of each one. But I'm going to give them a try. I'm going to try them in resin and in transparent polymer clay. And see what kind of results I get. Then, also from Wish, I got these. I'll take some out. I'll take one out. Little bitty handles that should be great on boxes. Okay. And then what I was waiting for, I got my other order from Tupelo Designs. Keep in mind, I ordered this a month and a half ago. This is the Metallique wax, the Bronze Age. the this is the Opal Magic Vintage Silk. And this one is the Antique Brilliance Red Amber. I think, I'll have to check one more time, but I think this catches me up on the Art Alchemy waxes. Okay, and then I got the IOD mold. This one is Royale. Okay, and they're like drawer pull plates. But they should be interesting on some mixed media. Okay. I also got a new cord for my internet. Yay! So that should help my internet connection a little bit. All that's left is to get me a new camera. One thing at a time. And this was all due, this whole haul was all due to not only my wonderful husband, but because I sold a couple of pendants last month. So, alright, that's it. Please like, share, and subscribe. The links will be listed below, and boy, they'll be long. But please like, share, and subscribe. The links will be listed below. Oh, bye for now. Okay, and I finally got me another tub of Renaissance wax. I ordered this off of Amazon, I think. Yeah, I think so. Okay, today I got the green brocade Opal Magic Wax and the Sizzix Big Z. I'm sorry, the Sizzix Bigs. I'm not sure what this one's called. Steampunk Gears or something. Anyway, something like that. I've got a project coming up using some of these big dyes. Okay, that's going to wrap up this haul. I'll have another one in a couple of days. I want to thank my generous husband, first of all. But some of my customers at my Etsy shop have purchased a few pendants that made this possible. So thank you so much for that. I really appreciate it. And as always, if any of you are interested, the links to my Etsy shop will be listed below, along with my other social media links and links to the products. So, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye for now.